Hello guys, oh my gosh, let me hide this. Okay, let's see. Hello guys, welcome to a server where I am with Build Battle, and I'm here for Build Battle. Of course, this is a builds battle server, so I will build with battle. So I will leave some description below to see this IP of this server. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, I really need that because oh, I love your skin. Oh, I don't know. Okay, let's go in this. Oh yeah, so laggy. So, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't. Oh, wait, why are you outside? Oh my gosh. There's no. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Go, come here. Everyone, come here. I'm very nervous. There's no one is in here. Just jump. Oh my gosh. Oh, hello. Oh, a nether. Yeah, nether. Oh my gosh, nether. I need to do some nether. Let me see this. Don't die, don't. Please. I don't want to hide. Yeah. Let's do that. Oh my gosh. Can we do that? And this one, I'm not good at building. So, let me see. Oh my gosh. This is an example of an house, I think. And then oh my gosh. Not very good at this. Yeah, it's very laggy. Not be on fire. So let's get in here. There, fast. We have only 4 minutes. And I think, yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and then let's go in. Oh my gosh, why are we going here? Oh wait, this is the one. Oh my gosh, I'm very confused right now. Let me see. That thing. And then that. Let me see. And of course, let me see if I can do something like, oh my gosh. No, it can. So, oh my gosh. Please, yeah. That's what I wanted. I need some glowstones. Glowstones, where are you? I'm here. Oh, joke. I'm not very good at building like that. Oh my gosh. We only have 2 minutes, but okay. And I need something called skull. Let me see, skull. Oh my gosh. Let this skull here. There. And there's that. gosh. I'm not good at this, I told you. Okay, put one here and then that. So, not really very good at this. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot something. There's no nether that don't have some lava. Except if, you know. Okay. So that. Oh my gosh. I really hate mine. So, and that. Oh my gosh. I don't want. I want to win, but I think I will not win this game. Oh my gosh. 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 I don't have to do some charge. Let's see. I'm right now. Oh my gosh. No, don't. Oh my gosh. This was so good. I forgot. Let's take it. Oh, no, good. I said good, not okay. Oh my gosh, don't. It's super, very bad, Not super cool. It says very bad because there's nothing on here, sorry. And then, let's go. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, I think I need to go in this. Oh my gosh, I will do it okay. Oh my gosh, why am I in the... I can't see. I saw some grass, so I'm so sorry. It's bad for me. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, it's mine and I'm here again. I don't want to be in here and I hope that's good for you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm very, very... oh my gosh, go inside. Okay, it's okay for me because I said okay. So, oh, there's nothing, so very bad. I'm so sorry. And oh my gosh, there's nothing in here again, so very bad. I'm sorry again. My task sick again. There's nothing. But why? Oh my gosh. Oh guys, I won. Oh my gosh guys, I was so happy. Let's say GG. Yay. Thank you guys for voting me. Yes. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed this build battle and a little time. Oh my gosh, that's the name one. Please enjoy this video, and first of all, this is my first video where I'm doing some cookie build battle. Yeah, and bye guys.